And next is online shopping cart. So here again, same procedure. The collect data, the formulas, and the print. And now here we see that this is really important. So this is the variable and equals input. We need the input so we can after we run this code, we can input it something, and again, and the rest. And now, and we see the int for whole number. So that input, and how many quantities, and you see this is for for sa for for a whole number. And that, see, and here after the total, see, we don't have a variable for a total. So total, we make for the formula, total one product, PRO1, and quantity underscore quantity times up. After we input something in here, each products, we see pupunta naman siya dito. This one mag-input tayo dito, nag-input tayo dito na something. Kunyari, may data tayo in-input dito. Pagkatapos natin i-input, ito, 1 na yan. 1, tapos ito. Pupunta siya dito. Gagawin niya ito. After nyan, pupunta siya dito. After nyan, mapiprint. You see, there's nakita nyo naman na ito. Kita nyo to na 2F. Kailangan yan kasi this is kung gusto mo ng decimal na, kasi pag inana natin yan yung decimal, dadami. So minilimit natin yung 2 decimals point kasi yung F is float for decimal points. Katapos nyan, nilagay natin yung pro1 underscore quantity product, nilagay natin yan, dineclare natin para mag-print. Kasi pag wala yan, hindi itong print na to mag-error or something na mawawala to. Hindi lalabas yung print ng product. Tatlo kasi yan, kasi product 1, product 2, and product 3. So pag di natin dineclare yan, hindi lalabas yung product 1, input nung product ng 1. Okay, let's try to run it. Input product 1. Let's say bread. How many bread? Let's say 5. And how much per the bread? Let's say 5 again. Okay, input to. So take back ko yung sinabi kanina, na sabi ko kanina na pag ito yung product in-input natin, to dadalhin siya. Hindi, ay ang gagawin niya, kailangan natin i-input to lahat. Ito, to simula sa product 1 hanggang dito, kailangan natin i-input lahat yan, para pagkatapos na i-input, gagawin niya lahat at i-print. Katulad sa gagawin ko dito. Sorry for wrong mali ko kanina. Okay, so input to, so lagay natin apple. How many quantity apple? Let's say it's 10. 15 quantity ay yung how many, how much. Ito naman, let's say onion. Let's say how many quantity. Let's say Then again, save 5. You see that? Cart summary. This title kasi yan, yung tong print na yan, title pag pinrint na siya. Okay? We see 15 bread is 5 to 15. So, pag binilang mo yan, kasi 5 breads, nilagay natin kanina is, saan yung bread? Ito yung 5, how much? So, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So, 5 for 25. Ganun rin, kanina. So, you know why.